This video is to explain these written instructions on how to convert the normal configuration of the SleepGuard biofeedback headband, like it's set up here, to use external sensor pad wires as are in this little bag. So first, you take off the sensor pads that are on the inside of the headband, and then you take the external sensor pad wires, which have sensor pads attached to them, and you snap these in place where these were before. Then you take these snaps and snap them here and here. These pads that are attached to the wires are going to go at your temples where these pads used to go, and these pads are going to go at your cheeks. So to attach these pads at your cheeks, you take two of the gel pads, which are provided in the little silvered Ziploc. And what you're going to do is you're going to, so that here's one of them, you're going to peel the blue film off, and then you're going to, right over the rivet, you're going to apply this pad, and then you're going to get your thumbnail in there to get a grip on the gel. You're going to peel this off, and you're going to reuse this covering every night when you recover it like that after you take it off your face. But for now, well, I'll just do one of these. So for now, you're going to put the headband on your head, slide that down, put the headband on your head, I don't know if that shows, and you're going to take this blue covering off here, and you're going to stick that to the side of your face like this, right over your, next to your back molars, right where you feel the masseter muscle bulge. So you're going to be like that. Then you're going to put a piece of paper tape over this so that it pushes against the foam and pushes this into your skin. And that holds that in place. And you do the same with the other one on the other side. And then if you are someone whose temporalis muscles are paralyzed, in addition, you're going to put plastic tape over this and this. If you're someone whose temporalis muscles are not paralyzed, you're not going to put the plastic tape. So that's the explanation.